Bitcoin versus Ethereum, a debate that's been heating up in the crypto world for years. But with 2025 on the horizon, which one should you invest in? Is Bitcoin's status as digital gold unbeatable, or does Ethereum's growing ecosystem make it the better choice? Stick around as we compare these two crypto giants on performance, use cases, potential growth, and more. This video is your ultimate guide to deciding which is the better investment for 2025. Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more crypto insights every week. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Overview of Bitcoin and Ethereum. First, let's take a quick look at what sets Bitcoin and Ethereum apart. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was created in 2009 by an anonymous figure, Satoshi Nakamoto. It's often called digital gold because of its primary use case, a store of value. Its limited supply of 21 million coins makes it deflationary and attractive for long-term holders. Ethereum, launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized platform that powers smart contracts and decentralized applications (dApps). Ethereum's blockchain is like a global computer, enabling innovations like DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. In short, Bitcoin focuses on value storage, while Ethereum emphasizes utility and innovation. Chapter 2. Performance Comparison. Now let's compare their performance to help you decide which might be a better investment for 2025. 1. Market cap and stability. Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency, with a market cap exceeding $500 billion as of 2024. Its price stability and brand recognition make it a safer choice for conservative investors. Ethereum, while the second largest crypto, has shown greater price volatility. Its market cap is around $250 billion, but it's growing rapidly thanks to its wide adoption. 2. Price growth. Historically, Bitcoin has seen slower but steady price growth compared to Ethereum. It hit an all-time high of nearly $69,000 in 2021. Ethereum, on the other hand, has grown faster, climbing from just $8 in 2016 to over $4,800 at its peak. If Ethereum's ecosystem continues to expand, its growth potential might outpace Bitcoin's. Chapter 3. USE Cases and Adoption. Let's talk about how each of these cryptos is being used today and their potential for growth. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is primarily a store of value and a medium of exchange. Institutions like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and even countries like El Salvador are adopting Bitcoin as legal tender or as part of their balance sheets. Ethereum powers the world of DeFi, decentralized finance, NFTs, and Web3 applications. Platforms like Uniswap, OpenSea, and Aave run on Ethereum. Its recent upgrade to Ethereum 2.0, which introduced proof of stake, is expected to make the network faster, cheaper, and more sustainable, setting the stage for massive adoption in 2025. Chapter 4. Investment Potential for 2025. Now let's talk about which cryptocurrency could be the better investment heading into 2025. Bitcoin's strengths, stability. As the oldest and most recognized cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is seen as a safe haven during market uncertainty. Scarcity. Its fixed supply ensures long-term value, especially as demand rises. Ethereum's strengths, utility. Ethereum is the backbone of decentralized applications, making it indispensable for Web3 and DeFi growth. Scalability. With Ethereum 2.0 upgrades, it's poised to handle thousands of transactions per second, attracting more users and developers. Conclusion. If you're looking for a safer, long-term store of value, Bitcoin might be the better choice. But if you want higher growth potential and are excited about innovation, Ethereum could outperform in the long run. Chapter 5. Risks to consider. Of course, no investment is without risks. Bitcoin risks. 1. Regulatory crackdowns could target Bitcoin's use as a currency. 2. Its reliance on energy-intensive mining has raised environmental concerns. Ethereum risks. 1. The shift to Ethereum 2.0 is still ongoing. Technical challenges or delays could affect adoption. 2. Competition from other smart contract platforms like Solana, Cardano, or Binance Smart Chain might limit Ethereum's dominance. Always do your own research before investing. So, Bitcoin versus Ethereum, who wins? The answer depends on your goals as an investor. Are you here for stability or innovation? For long-term safety or high-growth potential? Let me know your choice in the comments below. Are you Team Bitcoin or Team Ethereum for 2025? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future content. Thanks for watching.